We joined the Automotive 30% Club last year after seeing Julia Muir present on the benefits of bringing gender equality into our business. We were really compelled by her presentation and her message and felt that it strongly resonated with our own values. Following on from the presentation and after joining the Automotive 30% Club, we looked at how we could implement changes into our business to bring these benefits. The first thing we did was look at our recruitment process. We'd realised that inadvertently we'd been putting off women from applying to work at Maverick Diagnostics just through the way our job descriptions were written. So for example, we changed the wording in our job descriptions. We followed research which showed that certain wording could attract a more male audience and used wording which would attract a more inclusive audience. The other thing that we did was reduce the list of requirements in our job descriptions. Again, research has shown that women are more likely to apply only when they think they meet every single requirement on a job description, whereas men will apply when they think they cover 2/3. We've also worked on improving our company image by making sure that the women that work at Maverick Diagnostics are represented in our company imagery. And the results of all of this has meant that we've seen a lot more women apply for roles advertised with Maverick Diagnostics, which is a fantastic thing. There's a myth in the industry that women don't want technical jobs. That's not what we're finding. Another great benefit of joining the Automotive 30% Club is that we've met lots of like-minded people, like-minded businesses, and we've forged new partnerships with them, which has obviously brought benefits to our business with sales and with ideas. It's also been of benefit to me personally. I've met a lot of brilliant women working in the industry who've really inspired me to move forward and do great things for Maverick Diagnostics. I would highly recommend any business at whatever stage you are in gender balance and achieving diversity to join the Automotive 30% Club. I'm Laura Hoare from Maverick Diagnostics. Thanks for watching.